Overall, the pre-season races, they've been a little bit mixed, but the goal for these was to just learn, get to know the team, learn the bike in the race situation, and if we had some changes or some ideas to improve, then there was no risk with these events. It was just to experiment and try to improve. So the results was not something I was focused on, but overall, yeah, it was not too bad. I still have one more to go in Hawkstone, so we did sand in Alghero. We had hard technical rutty conditions in La Capelle at the weekend, and now this weekend we'll have Hawkstone, so sand, maybe going to be some ruts and a little bit muddy. So it's been good. We've had all the different conditions to learn and get used to the bike and make some changes. So far with the new KX 450 SR, I've really enjoyed having that change. Even when you sit on the bike and you see the new colour and just that new feel, I've really enjoyed that new motivation and the fresh start. Of course, the bike is amazing. Romain finished second on the world in last season, so the potential, it's not even what I feel. That potential I know is there already, even when starting with the bike and before changing things to suit me and my style. So I have really a lot of confidence in the bike, and so far it's been really good. I've enjoyed the different way of working with this team and with the Kawasaki. So we're going to have a really strong bike that has a lot of even more potential than it already has now. Yeah, it seems strange being the sole rider on the team. Of course, it was really unfortunate for Romain's accident, but this is motocross and this is the sport we race. But there's been really a lot of focus on me, and I need to try to take that as a positive. When we go to the track, there's 10 guys around you and it's all for you. And sometimes you can feel the pressure a little bit, and not that you're just going out there to do your riding and just enjoy. I've taken advantage now of having a lot of focus on me from all the team, and really taking that time to learn each individual that I have to work with now for this season. And just building a great relationship with everyone involved in the team. And I feel like because we've had so much one-on-one time with me being the only rider, we've made some good steps in that area and got to know each other really well.